Hello everyone and welcome to my channel once again. If you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if today is your first time of coming, you are welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give it a like and also comment. In today's video, we'll be talking about the 10 specialties in nursing. Now, if you are a student nurse or you work in a hospital environment, a healthcare professional, or if you're just someone that is curious to understand what nurses actually do in the hospital, this video is for you. So many people think that nurses are a group of people that help or assist doctors in different wards or in the hospital. But there is more to that. There are actually nurses who prescribe medications, diagnose a disease, and also treat diseases. These nurses also perform procedures and also lead research that shapes the modern health care. First on my list is the clinical nurse specialist. They are CNS certified and they are the ones that provide guidance, that bring their expertise into the world, into the clinical setting. They work in a hospital, they work in a research setting. The second one is the nurse practitioner. These are the group of nurses who have been certified to prescribe medications. They can diagnose, they can treat, they can also manage illnesses, similar to what doctors do, right? This group of nurses work in a hospital setting, they work in a primary care settings, and also work with private establishments. The number 3 specialty on my list is the oncology nursing. These are oncology certified nurses that provide compassion, courage, and to the cancer patients. They actually specialize in the treatment of cancer, administering chemotherapy, and also provide emotional support. Number 4 is the cardiac nurse specialists. These are the group of nurses who are trained to manage patients who are undergoing cardiac procedure. They also help to monitor and manage patients with different cardiac diseases. They work in cardiology lab, the cath lab. They also work in cardiology ward. They work in cardiac rehabilitation centers. They are specialized in assisting in carrying out cardiology procedure. They also work in the coronary care units. Number 5 is the pediatric nurse specialist. These are the group of nurses who work with the children, the infants, and even the adolescents. They work in places like hospital. They work in hospital settings. They work in schools. They work in community clinics. They also are pediatric certified nurses who actually understands how to look after children. The next on my list is the geriatric nurse specialist. They are the group of nurses who are trained and specialized in looking after the elderly. They are gerontological nurse certified. They work in care home, they manage care home, they also work in a hospital, especially in the elderly wards. Number 7 is the psychiatric nurse specialist. These ones are those who diagnose, treat, and manage patients with psychiatric disorders. They work in a mental health settings, psychiatric hospitals. Number 8 is the neonatal nurse specialist. Now, the neonatal nurse specialists actually look after the newborns, especially those who are in the neonatal intensive care unit. Those are the newborns that need a special care after delivery. The neonatal nurses actually work in a hospital setting, maternity setting, and delivery hospitals or centers. Number 9 is the emergency or trauma nurse specialist. They are the group of nurses who look after patients that are in their critical state, patients that need urgent care, stabilize them before they can be referred to other units depending on their condition. They work in trauma units, they work in emergency departments, and they are ED certified. Number 10, which is the last we will discuss today, is the peri-operative nurses. These are the nurses who are trained to prepare patients before the surgery, to help assist during the surgery, and also look after the patients once they are out of the theater. They work in operating rooms, they work in hospitals, in surgical centers. Remember, these are just the few we are discussing today. Which of these nurse specialties inspire you the most? I would like to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. To all the nurses out there, thank you so much for all you do.